Welcome to our channel. My Virgin Media Connect app not working, how to solve? Close the app completely, don't just swipe it away. Force close it. On some phones, you have to dig into settings to fully shut it down. Then reopen. Half the time it just needed a kickstart. Restart your phone, yeah, it's basic, but mobile apps love to glitch when your phone's been running too long. Turn it off, back on, and see if the app behaves. Check your internet, the app needs Wi-Fi or data. If you are bouncing between networks or your signal is weak, it won't load. Switch to mobile data or another Wi-Fi to test. Update the app, old versions just break. Go to your app store, check for updates, and install them. Virgin updates this app a lot. Clear cache and data. If you're on Android, clear the cache in app settings. On iPhone, just reinstall the thing. Cache data loves to mess things up. Reinstall the app, delete it. Install it again. Painful, but works more often than not. Especially if updates alone don't fix it. Check for Virgin outages. Sometimes the app's fine, but their servers are down. Check Virgin Media's status page or social media. If others are complaining, it's not you. Log out and back in. If it loads but won't show details, log out. Sign back in. Sometimes it just needs a refresh of your account data. Make sure your hub is on. The Connect app relies on your hub being powered and online. If the hub's down, the app is useless. Restart the hub, too, while you're at it. Contact support, last resort. If none of this works, call Virgin. Tell them what you tried. Saves time instead of listening to turn it off and on again for 20 minutes. Thank you for watching.